remain up to date on the weather forecast. And now the weather synopsis for the Mojave Desert and the southern Great Basin region. Hot and dry conditions are expected as temperatures soar 10 to 15 degrees above seasonal normals late in the week. The hottest temp... This is the weekly test of the emergency alert system of the service forecast on Las Vegas, Nevada. This system is used to provide warnings and essential safety information during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, you would receive official information, news, or instructions from the station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada, Northwest Arizona, and Southeast California emergency alert system. And now the weather synopsis.